Welcome to this video tutorial on how to install a Drupal website using Softaculous Apps Installer. When you log on to your cPanel, all you need to do is search for software group. Then you click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Wait for it to upload or to load. Okay, at the left hand side panel, go to portals/CMS, that's Content Management System. Click on it. Then you search for Drupal. Click on it. Okay, quickly go to Install Now. Then choose the Drupal version you want to install. This is Drupal 8.65. I'm going to use Drupal 7. Choose protocol. So you can decide to use any of these protocols we have here. That is, if you have a secure location or web hosting, you can choose this one, or you can just choose the ordinary HTTP. Okay, so I will just use this one. I'm not going to use any secured installation. So choose a domain name. So you quickly come and choose the domain name you want to use. I want to use a subdomain here, so I'll click on it. Okay, don't do anything here. So don't do any other thing. Okay, site name, you can decide to change the name of your site, or if you can just leave it as such. Okay, admin username, so you can also decide to change the administrator name, but if you want it to be admin, you can leave it like that. Then the password, just hide it. So I will choose a new password. Okay, they are saying it's bad, but I just want to keep it minimal. So take off this email address and enter your own email. Okay, I have my email here, so I'll just click on install. We have advanced options here. You are not supposed to do anything there. The database will create itself for you and the rest of the things there. So just click on install and wait for it to install. Okay, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So all what you need to do is just click on your website, so it will open in a new browser for you, in a new tab. So you see the name of your website, my Drupal. You can change this later. Welcome to my Drupal. That's the name of your website, and they are saying no front page content has been created yet. So basically, this is how we install Drupal software or Drupal website using Softaculous software or apps. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.